Today, I'm challenging myself to care for my car like a pro and see if I can transform it from dusty and dull to shining and pristine. In this video, you'll learn essential tips and tricks for maintaining your car, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. Many car owners neglect basic maintenance, leading to costly repairs and decreased performance over time. This oversight can often be attributed to a lack of knowledge about what regular maintenance entails. By not checking fluids regularly, for instance, you might end up with engine damage. Similarly, ignoring tire pressure can lead to uneven tire wear and even blowouts. Furthermore, failing to keep track of your car's maintenance history can make it difficult to identify potential issues before they become major problems. We'll cover key areas of car care, including oil changes, tire maintenance, and interior cleanliness, providing you with actionable insights. Regular oil changes are crucial because they help lubricate your car's engine, preventing it from overheating and wearing down. Checking your tire pressure monthly and maintaining the recommended level can improve your car's handling and fuel efficiency. Keeping your car's interior clean, including vacuuming the seats and dashboard, not only makes for a more pleasant driving experience but also helps preserve the car's interior materials. The most crucial tip: establishing a regular maintenance schedule can save you money and extend your car's lifespan significantly. A well-planned schedule helps ensure that no essential maintenance tasks are overlooked. It also allows you to budget for maintenance and repair costs over time, rather than facing unexpected expenses. Moreover, a regular maintenance schedule can help you maintain your car's warranty and increase its resale value. By prioritizing maintenance, you can drive with confidence, knowing your car is in top condition. By following these simple steps, you can keep your car in top shape and avoid unnecessary repairs. If you found these tips helpful, check out our other videos for more car care advice. And share your thoughts in the comments below.